Welcome back to our real farm. Today we are going to talk about how you take those seeds and plant them into the ground.
Well, first off, we take a tractor and we hook it up to the planter, and the seed goes up in top. This is a bulk filled planter. It has two sides. You put the same variety in usually in each side, or you can put two different varieties in. You put it in there, and then this is a hydraulic pump that blows air, which will blow the seed from the big tank through the tubes. You'll see tubes up under here, and it goes back to each individual hose or row. Each hose ends up to a row, and then from there it goes into a vacuum disc, and as that disc goes around, there's a vacuum on it, and when the vacuum is cut off, then it drops the seed down a tube into a furrow, which drops it through a tube, and then there's disc blades up here which open up a V into the ground, which the seed drops into that furrow. And then these are depth control wheels, so you should be planting your seed 1 3/4 inch to 2 inches deep for optimum growth and for root development. And from there, the V reel was back here. They closed back up the V that the disc had made, and so you get good soil to seed contact, and that's essential for a seed to grow also. Soil temp mainly, moisture, but typically it's the middle of April. This year it's going to be earlier because we didn't get the snow or the cold weather this last winter, so actually spring planting will probably happen in the beginning of April. Modern-day farmers actually use a lot of high-tech equipment. Right now we run GPS on our planter tractor, so we don't have to run the markers in the ground. Once you set your A points, B points, a straight line, it'll keep you straight right across the field, so you never plant crooked anymore. So that it's just precision farming is what it's called. So the skip rows aren't so wide, and you just, if you look at the screen, you can tell every line here would be around what the tractor automatically follows. You don't have to steer anymore. It makes a lot less of a stressful day. At the end of the day, instead of being tired and grumpy, you're still in a good mood to come home to your wife. So I think it's a definite plus for a modern day farmer to have this technology.
Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour. Today we talked a little bit about how we plant the seed and how the planter works. I hope you join us tomorrow.